Hello student, welcome to Study Zone. Today I tell you some birds name in Hindi and English. So let's get started. Owl, O W L, owl. Ullu, parrot, P A R R O T, parrot. Tota, crow, C R O W, crow. Kawa, cuckoo, C U C K O O, cuckoo. Koyal, peacock, P E A C O C K, peacock. Moor, swan, S W A N, swan. Hans, sparrow, S P A R R O W, sparrow. Goraya, vulture, V U L T U R E, vulture. Gid, woodpecker, W O O D P E C K E R, woodpecker. Kat fodwa, bat, B A T, bat. Chamgadad, cock, C O C K, cock. Murga, eagle, E A G L E, eagle. Cheel, hawk, H A W K, hawk. Barge, Myna, M Y N A H, myna. Magpie, M A G P I E, magpie. Neelkant, kiwi, K I W I, kiwi. Nightingale, N I G H T I N G A L E, nightingale. Bulbul, ostrich, O S T R I C H, ostrich. शुतुरमुर्ग, partridge, P A R T R I D G E, partridge. Teetar, raven, R A V E N, raven. Kala kawa, swallow, S W A L L O W, swallow. Ababil, duck, D U C K, duck. Buttock, hen, H E N, hen. Murgi, Lark. L-A-R-K. Lark. Lava. Sandpaper. S-A-N-D-P-I-P-E-R. Sandpaper. Titihari. Weaver bird. W-E-A-V-E-R-B-I-R-D. Weaver bird. Baya pakshi. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Saras. Kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. Ramchiraiya. Hoppy. H-O-O-P-O-E. Hoppy. Hudhud. Wagtail. W-A-G-T-A-I-L. Wagtail. Khanjan. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and give us a like. Thank you.